Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can add search bar in Wings. So first up, open your Wings website editor, and here you just need to click on the add elements right there. And basically, just go to the search bar right there, and you're just going to type here search. And then once you press the enter on your keyboard, then you will find this results. And as you can see, you'll find some search options. Well, basically, we just need to click on the site search right there at the top. And basically, you'll find this results. So from here, you're going to select some options. So for example, we're going to menu and anchor, and we're going to click on Wings site search. So we're going to add this to your website. And now adding Wings site search on your website. So basically we just need to wait for a few seconds here, optimizing your pages, adding the finishing touches. And once done, you will find this search result. So as you can see right from here. So you will find the search result by default, and you can customize all of this. So if you're going to click on the quick edit, as you can see right here, so it will show you these options. So under the content right from here, you can basically change the section background. So right now I have the dark background. So if you're going to change this, and you just have to select any of the color or image that you can use in order to change your search result background. So for example, right from here, and then once you select this background, just need to click on this go back section, and then go here on title and can basically edit the title. And also we have here some settings to manage your content of search results. And also in layout, you can add a section to basically add some designs. So for example, we're going to click on settings, and from here, if you go to this main, so basically here we have the main, and we're going to click on the manage settings bar right there. And here you can actually enable or disable the settings here. Disable if you don't want to see in search results. So choose pages to show in results and edit what's displayed. So basically, for example, you just need to toggle off this one if you don't want to see other pages in your search results. So now also you can have some, or we have some options here. Basically, we have layout. How is the results menu aligned? So we're going to uh, choose here center, and then number of results per page. So you can actually customize this one, and the pagination layout. Now you can also go to design. So basically you can edit some search bar and also some search results and some buttons. So once you're done fixing your search bar here, so you might want to move to any part of your website. So just need to zoom into 100%, and you can move that search bar anywhere in your website. So for example, right from here. And then if you just want to publish this one and view the site, so click on publish button right there at the top right hand corner, and then click on this view site. So probably you will find that search results or search box right there at the top of your Wings website. So you can always customize your search bar. You just need to go back to website editor to edit your search settings. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.